Hey everybody, this is Dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the 2025 Swampfest in historic Downtown Waycross, and this is Car Show Cam. This was a great event, a little bit of a different event for us. There were lots of awesome cars out there, but it was a gigantic craft and arts festival and all that stuff. We didn't participate in that. But anyway, we took a lot of video of the car show. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Stop.
I saw them.
Not sure why they're stopped.
I have a suspicion you're not going to like it.
Yeah. Oh, that was a handicap spot back there.
Because that'd be the rail depot right there.
Mm-hmm. Don't look like there's any parking left in there either. Now there's one spot there.
We'll go looking and see what we see. We may be coming back this way.
Mm-hmm. Where's the car show part at?
I'm wondering that myself. Because I'm looking and not seeing no classic cars. Oh, there's a couple.
Alright. They ain't meant.
They're down that street.
They're down here, yeah. Yeah. There's a street we can cut back up through? Don't look like it.
Got to turn around and go back. What, right there?
You could have turned around there.
Oh.
Not could have gotten there.
I can turn around right there.
Not sure why that's one lane.
Because they're paving.
Oh. Well, your train's moving now.
Mm-hmm. You probably got clearance to pull all the way into the yard.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I saw a spot on the other side of this overpass. Nope, can't get to it.
Where?
Right there behind that tan car.
Oh. There's people all parked in there. There's a spot right there if you could get in there. I don't think you can.
I don't know how to get in there.
Back there.
Maybe I can turn in there.
Yeah, you can. It's a long way back to your cars.
Well, that's what I'm gonna have to take.
Go back down to that other parking spot. Because I saw a spot on the grass.
Yes, I saw it too, but there were also 2 cars parked in the way.
You got the red light.
I know.
Are those canes? They're too short for canes,
They're-
right?
No, they're canes
Oh.
with seats on them,
Oh.
I believe. Nope. I'm not sure what those were.
Now the entrance to this gated place is up here at the end.
What, here?
Yeah. I believe so.
Well, there's a spot right there by that white truck.
Yeah. You think you can get in it? Well, why can't you just park over there on the grass?
I don't know, but I'm gonna pull over here. Make sure they ain't nothing coming before I do.
Mm-hmm. Anything down that way?
No.
That spot right there.
That's a drive.
Oh, okay.
If it's empty, you can bet there's a reason there's empty.
Yeah. Which way you want to go?
We'll go straight for now.
Come back up and see if you can get by that white pickup. Lord, this thing's huge.
Yeah, I know.
I guess you gotta find somewhere you can park so you can get your scooter out.
Mm-hmm.
Are we that far away if we park over here?
Well, seems like there were some on the end of this block.
That way or that way?
That way.
Oh.
Cars, not
Yes.
parking.
There's a space there, but they're standing in it. That's not one way, is it? No, okay. There you go.
Because they were showing up one part right there a minute ago.
Yeah. Leave yourself room to get your scooter out. I didn't hand out many stickers.
That's fine.
Yeah. How you going?
I'm gonna go that way first.
Uh-huh. And come up around to this street?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I can't see shit.
Yeah. Nose out. Nothing coming this way. I gave them a couple of stickers.
So you think go that way?
Yeah.
No, wait, there's no way out that way.
Okay.
We'll loop the block again.
Alright.
And then
Go right up there to that light.
Well, I want to loop around, come back that way
Okay.
to get back to where I know where I'm at. Or I could loop that way.
Honey, it ain't gonna matter.
We go.
You can't get lost in Waycross.
Bullshit, you can.
I think you just go back up this block.
Yeah.
Yeah. She had the stop sign and she was in the middle of the street.
Yeah, well. And she was taking both lanes, so there wasn't no way I was.
What's this?
Look at that up there. That's that
Yeah.
damn overpass.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to go that way.
Fuck no. That's why I was like, I'm going back the way I came.
Yeah.
Hey, we've been to Swampfest partially.
If I had my scooter, we'd be looking at all of it.
To an extent.
Yeah.
I didn't know how big it was going to be.
Uh-uh.
Now we know.
Yeah. Quite a few cars.
Yeah. I expected it to be a little bit bigger.
Yeah. He parked right there.
You couldn't get where I was.
Mm-hmm. Not sure which way that one's going. And you can't see. They got a stop sign? No.
They kind of do.
Why don't you go that way and turn around? 'Cause I don't like the way that's done.
I don't either.
You can turn right in
Let's turn around
here.
at Town Neal.
Yeah, or somewhere there. I'm ready to get home and get out of my sweaty clothes and possibly take a bath.
Bath does sound good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's bad.
I kind of wondered if they were parking on the friggin' overpass.
No, I don't think so.
I don't either, looking right there. Yeah, there ain't no stop sign. It's just a yield.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you're right.
One of these days I'm going to come up here and sit up here and train watch.
Yeah. There was a spot right in here. If we could have got in there, you could have pulled in there.
Yeah.
But you had to go in back there.
Yeah, and that train was in the way.
Yeah.
And there's a car sitting in the way. They want to go straight across.
Mm-hmm.
Well, shit.
Music and bathrooms.
Yeah. They ain't got a whole festival going on.
Yeah.
I am sorely tempted
What?
to stop when we get back to Folkestone.
Mm-hmm.
After you go into Harvey's, I guess. And get an ice cream cone.
Yeah. I mean, I was dripping sweat from my ears earlier.
Here or at the other?
At the other. Must be the food court.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Mm-hmm. All them food. Of course, I saw somebody selling lemonades.
Oh yeah, and them look so good.
Ooh, there's one selling corn dogs. Sausage dogs.
Gator on a stick.
Mm-hmm. I tell you, want to run around the block? I'll go jump out and get us some.
Not particularly.
Yeah.
Overpriced.
Probably. Yeah. Yeah, ice cream. There was somebody selling ice cream back there. $5 a cone.
Yeah, it ain't that at Dairy Queen, and you know me.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna have the good shit.
Well, is that a museum too?
Yeah, I think so, sort of. It's also a visitor center.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they got some nice hats there.
Yeah, I kind of didn't realize the parking lot I had scoped out
Yeah.
was where they were gonna have the friggin' cars at.
Yeah.
And
I'm still dripping.
Now I know.
Mm-hmm. We could have parked in here, but we'd have had to walk 5 blocks.
3.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, probably 5 blocks, because you figure you got 2 blocks back there at the damn car show to walk.
Yeah.
I did miss a section.
Uh-huh.
And I got it.
You did.
I got it, though, when I went
Okay.
back and did the walkabout run.
Mm-hmm.
Right there where those 2 hot rods were, there was some behind it that I couldn't see because there was something sitting there.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the 2025 Swamp Fest in Waycross, Georgia. It was a great event. A little bit of a different event for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop us a like, a comment, a share, even subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel, and any little bit helps. Any little, like or subscribe, comment, whatever, helps us grow the channel. So, like I always say, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.